Hello students, welcome you all in online classes. So class, today I want to tell you something related to your PT1 work, what you have done. So I know you all know what you have done in your PT1 syllabus, how you have done, what you have done. After so many instructions which were given by me, you have done your own. That is very bad. So class, I would like to tell you that please do your work in a very good way. Nobody, no, very few students have done their work in a proper manner by filling their date, by page number, lining, whatever you do in school, you didn't do in your online classes. That is very disappointing to your teachers. So class, don't do this. Now I am sending you thought and syllabus of PT2, and I hope you will not all repeat the same mistake what you have all done in your PT1 syllabus. There are very few students, in fact the students who are good, they have not done proper work. Whatever they wanted, they did. It is very bad. You know how the work, what is the pattern of work in our school, but you haven't followed it. But so class, please don't do this. So today I am sending you thought and syllabus through this video, and tomorrow we will start our live classes. So as you all know, class, some chapters from CBSE are deducted, so please don't write syllabus from the book. Whatever the lesson name which I'll give you, you will note them. So don't go with the book. Okay class? So now I'll give the PT2 your thought and syllabus of English literature, and you will note it in your fair copy in the best way, because nobody has performed in excellent way. So please don't do this. So what is our thought? First of all, I am going to read thought, and in PT1 I I just sent you the thought and syllabus, and I hope that you will do it in the best way. But after seeing the your work presentation of you, I had to make this video so that you should follow the instruction. Although you all know what is the pattern of my work, after that you haven't followed it. That's why today I am sending you this video to write thought and syllabus. If after that you will not follow my pattern, you will be punished in some way. That is for sure. So please don't do this. Okay, so let's start. And what is the thought? And class, I always say to please mention thought, please mention. And very few students had filled index. It was looking like that you don't know what is index. It should also be filled, you don't know. Very few students had filled index in their copy. Very few students have mentioned page number, date. They don't know what is the date and page number. What is this behavior, class? So whenever you are going to write, you have to mention page number and date, which is compulsory. It is the starting of a page, class. Okay, the first of all you have to mention page number and date. After that you can see, as I have mentioned here, thought. You and you can use orange color. Okay class? So as I always tell you, take the center portion of your page. You know now what is center portion? You have to write thought at center portion. So first of all you will mention thought, as you can see in the video. After that you will write your thought. And what is your thought? Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. The explanation is very simple. So how many students are understanding the explanation of this thought? As soon as my video will be finished, you have to give me the explanation of this thought, and it is compulsory. It is not optional. If you want to give explanation, you will give. If you don't, you will not. No, each and every students, because after sending this video on WhatsApp, I can see that how many students have seen my message and video, and how many replied. I can see. So don't cheat in this. How many students have will watch this video? They had to give me the explanation as soon as my video will be finished, and it is compulsory, you have to give it. So how many students are understanding this thought? You have to reply, and you have to give two kinds of explanation. One, wordly, through the words, what are the meaning of the words, and what is the hidden meaning of this thought. How will you apply this in your own life? Okay class, so you have to give me explanation. Keep in your mind, please. So first of all you will write, as I always tell, take center portion, then inverted comma, then first letter with the black, remaining letters with blue pen. As you can see, you can leave one line just to fulfill the space, so it will be look good. After that, after writing the thought, you will write your, sorry, it will be PT2 syllabus. It is written here PT1. It will be PT2 syllabus. Okay. नहीं. So it will be PT2 syllabus. Nobody will write PT1. It is PT2 syllabus. Okay class. So first of all you will mention your tentative date. After that you will mention your chapters with their writer or poet name. For lesson 3, the little girl, and the writer is Catherine Mansfield. Then poem, and you can see in the what manner I have written here by leaving one line. You have to write the same. Then poem, Rain on the Roof by Coates Kenny. Then lesson 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind by the writer is not given, so I have written here anonymous. Then it's poem, and class, after the poem of the lesson which was included in lesson 4 is now it is not included in syllabus, it is deducted. So that's why I was saving. Then whatever the chapter I had written here, you have to write the same. You will not go with the book. Okay class. Then your poem, A Legend of the Northland, then Phoebe Cary. This is the thought of English literature. And class, it is PT2. I am repeating, sorry for the mistake that I have written here PT1. It is PT2, as your PT1 is just finished. So you will write PT2, and you will note these lessons in the good way. And tomorrow we will meet on live classes. Okay class. And one more thing class, how many students have not given their PT1 exam? Please contact your class teacher and please give your exam. And second thing that yes, make a file of, as I have told you, but I am reminding you, please make a file of your all copies of exam, as it will be submitted when your school will start, when you will come school. So it is necessary, it is not optional, it is compulsory that it will be submitted. So please don't miss them. Okay class, thank you.